Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Crunch Accounting Services. Review my usage experience. Crunch Accounting Services Review My Usage Experience offers accounting software and services aimed at small business owners and freelancers. It likely provides tools for invoicing, expense tracking, tax preparation assistance, and financial reporting. Their website provides details on the specific features offered, varying based on chosen plans. Their website highlights features like automated invoicing, bank reconciliation tools, and reporting dashboards. They emphasize ease of use and focus on helping users manage their finances efficiently. They claim pricing transparency, with clearly stated plans, and no hidden fees are mentioned. Availability is generally online, accessible via a web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Crunch Accounting Services. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward. I simply created an account, linked my bank accounts, a slightly nerve-wracking process initially, but it was secure and clearly explained, and started inputting my transactions. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed my income, expenses, and profit margins, exactly what I needed. I really appreciated the automated invoicing feature. It saved me tons of time compared to my previous, manual methods. The reporting features were excellent, allowing me to generate various reports at a glance. I had a quick question about expense categorization, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, which was fantastic. One minor drawback was the slightly limited mobile app functionality. Some tasks were easier to complete on the desktop version. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Crunch Accounting. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated bank reconciliation. It's a huge time saver. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and greatly improved my financial organization. That's my overview of Crunch Accounting Services. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.